folks, I'm Superintendent Kory Kalahar here from the Wenatchee School District. Welcome back to an FAQ Friday Bond Bite. Last time we talked about what a bond is and how it works. Today I want to address one of the most common questions and really one of the most fair questions that we hear from our community. Why not just remodel Wenatchee High School? It looks fine from the outside. You're right. Honestly, the building does look pretty good from the outside. These masonry bricks have held up very well over the years. And that's exactly the question that many of us had too when we started this journey. When we commissioned an independent facilities study in 2023, we had architects and engineers who came out and did a complete assessment of every building in the Wenatchee School District. And Wenatchee High School, unfortunately, only scored a 49 out of 100, a very poor rating. And what that score doesn't really tell us right now is what all is happening inside the walls, above in the ceilings, and beneath the floors. We all know the mechanical systems are beyond their engineered lifespan. The building layout doesn't support how students learn today and is quite honestly holding us back from expanding learning opportunities for our students. We know the classrooms are dark, the classrooms are also undersized, career and technical education spaces don't meet current standards. And most critically, the building cannot adequately filter wildfire smoke or manage extreme heat. Folks, these are not cosmetic problems. They can't be fixed with a fresh coat of paint. So why aren't we just remodeling everything? Our long-range facilities committee took a hard look at full renovation, and the numbers didn't pencil out. It costs roughly as much as building new, it takes longer to complete, and won't last nearly as long. And throughout the construction, you're working every single day with students around a building site and hazardous materials. At the end of all that, you still have an old building with new finishes. That's not responsible use of taxpayer dollars. What our community engagement process landed on is a much smarter approach and one that saves taxpayers real money. We're keeping and renovating 100,000 square feet of existing space. The auditorium, the gyms, the pool, the locker rooms, and the band wing. Structures that are sound and worth preserving. And by doing all of that, the proposal saves an estimate of $20 million. The new construction fills in what those spaces cannot provide, such as modern classrooms, updated career and technical education facilities, and a building envelope that is safe and can actually protect students from smoke and heat. This is not a demolish and rebuild everything project. It's targeted, it's a financially responsible plan that has been developed through 3 years of study and community input. Next time, I'll walk you through exactly what we're keeping and how those spaces will be renovated and how they'll continue to not just serve our students, but the entire community. Remember to visit wenatcheeschools.org/bond to learn more. We are Wenatchee, building for learning and ready for the future. Thank you. We'll see you next time.